Gago.
Ha? Ishwi, Rowara.
Ganito.
Rowara. With action pa na film doon. Saan bang film? Film about kidney cabbage. Hindi ko alam kung nanood doon si mama.
Ano na?
Yan, okay din. Yan, mas okay na.
Ha?
Okay na.
Uy, lagbas ko siya.
Hmm? Try mo sa labas.
That day, what did Emma exactly say to you?
Yan, okay din. Mas maganda pang sa labas din.
She said she has a botanical being system.
Chloe,
How long are you gonna lie to us?
I'm begging you as your brother. Okay, what did she actually say?
Harap, harap.
My kidney has been hurting more and more lately.
Okay ba?
Oo, mas okay yan. Eh, di ba mas maganda yung malaking belt?
I'm really not lying to you.
Uy!
Listen, if you say it out loud,
Hindi na handle yung niya.
Pero okay lang ganito, oh.
Okay na. Mas okay din ganito na walang belt.
Ganun, no?
Okay din na walang belt.
Saan yung maganda?
Dalawa maganda, yung may belt at saka yung wala. Hindi na kasya sa tiyan mo, kaya nasira.
Ah, grabe ka naman ako. Oh, ayan.
Aray ko.
Langiya! Ang init.
Great. The company's gone, the house is gone, and the money's gone. Chloe, this is all your fault.
Hindi na makapasok.
you're the ones who wanted to cut ties with Emma.
No comment.
Exactly. You had an insistent
Okay lang, okay lang.
Gago na kabidyo pa. Lagi.
Walang problema yan, walang problema.
Taking your illness back then, and even brought up
Slowly na lang, slowly. Para hindi masira. And para hindi masira yung kawawa ng belt.
Kapit.
that now.
Eh, nagkapit oh!
What's the use
Ano?
of blaming me?
Okay siya. Parang ano?
Ang pangit tingnan.
Hindi cute
so everything Emma said back then was true.
Ang ganda siya.
Hindi kasi nagchan.
Faking it. I just wanted to kill Emma.
Kupusin mo. Magardol ka. Kupos ka tapos mag-exercise.
Wanted to kill Emma?
Ayan.
She was doing perfectly
Ayan.
fine at the orphanage.
Ayan.
Why didn't you
Ayan.
bring her back? We even wanted to share the love that belonged to me. I wanted to kill
Pero okay lang siya.
Oo.
The one who stole her
Dalihan ko
in
to.
the first place.
Pwede. Dalhin mo. Ilagay mo sa cargo.
Never should have brought you back to the
Hindi,
family.
ilagay ko to sa coil.
You finally spoke your true
Pero pag
feelings.
ganito siya,
Liars! You're all a bunch of liars!
Ano nangyari sa film mo?
The family doesn't want you anymore.